Hi everyone, it's Aaron from Flame, and so glad you can join me for another video today. Today I thought it would just do a nice pink simple posy using lovely camellia, which will help just bulk it out a little bit and give it a bit of framework. So I'm going to cut it quite short. It's always essential prepare all our flowers in advance. Just makes it a quick, smoother process, so I'll just go by and just do one by one. And we'll start with the center of our bouquet with these lovely roses. There's Sweet William, Gypsy. Let me know if there's any other names. Lovely Ranunculus, which are coming out now. So almost springtime in Australia, still very cold and wet. So with the camellia foliage, I'm pretty much just tangling everything in there with a spiral. And I'll just hold it down a bit firmer, less likely for everything to move. Lovely spray carnations, just give it a nice pop of colour. It's lovely status, might say that for a bit later. Got gorgeous carnations. One of my favourite flowers. There we are so far. I'll just start putting a couple on the side. We'll put one in the front, I think. One on the side. Gorgeous fragrant stalk. So I'm just going to move this rose back in the center. Make some room for the lovely spray roses. Just sit on the side here. Got some gorgeous Lizzie. I'm just going to split that. Place one in the center just to fill that hole. So we're almost there. So I've got time just to adjust things a little bit. And just keep playing with them sort of angles, give everything different heights. Really makes everything pop out. Something like that. Just saw a little bit of magnolia. Little stem. So we'll move that. There we go there. Just adds it a little bit more, makes it a little bit bigger. Time for wrapping. There's a lovely wrapped bouquet, pretty in pink. It's got a real pop, very vibrant pinks. Not too small, not too large. Just a little gift